we can get some green chilies and also eggplants. Now it's some eggplants here ready to get. So, yun. And there is more. This one. And green chilies. Now first harvest eggplant. Mashallah. Eh? Inshallah no more. It's okay. Maybe become more big this one there.
Of course become big, but there is Dudun. I want to make spray, you see?
Ah.
Here now.
Ah.
There. That's why now. If you make spray,
Ah.
you have to get one time enough.
Because some insects is
15
coming.
days,
Eh?
15 to 20 days.
Hmm? Ah, inshallah. Inshallah after we make spray then no more these insects. Because some insects is biting. So my husband will give spray now. So that's why we have to get this one.
हाँ आए ना साथ तारक भी है छोटा भी हमें भी आए ना से हाँ आए ना से वो भी
This one
आप
is
ही
still
जैसे ना
small,
ऊपर
I
जबला
think.
बाजी और करने से उन्होंने ना छोड़ा सा बाकी सारी
This
वो
one.
आप ही आ ही
Ayan.
हाँ हाँ हमें से वाली जुलियां तो आप ही आ ही के सारी ठीक है बेटा ठीक
Green chilies.
उन्हें कहने फिर मैं भी राब्ता कर रहा हूँ बल्ले को फोन करा पाने या क्या लगा जी चलो कुछ लिक्विड होते गंदी भी थी पड़ा हुआ है कुछ लिक्विड हाँ चलो आ गया
This one. I'll get this one. Oh, ayan oh. Very big, mashallah.
हाँ चलो
Ayan.
ठीक है ना ठीक है बड़ा आशा है जंगते कुड़ियां पेशियां मैं पता है जंगू तेरा दुआदा ना ताई तो करो सुनो ताई में पेशियां जंगते कुड़ियां निकटे सारे आशा फातिमा फादी सारे
Kunda na sir bay.
इंशाल्लाह वो करूँ दी तुम्हारी यदि या करूँ
This one also.
हाँ
So many green chilies.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है चलो इंशाल्लाह बड़ा जरूर कोशिश करो बड़ा जंगल कुछ सारे सही है
My husband is talking someone,
ठीक है
his cousin, because there is married his son tomorrow or after tomorrow. They said that we will go, inshallah.
जी जी इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह बड़ा मैं पेशी आज कल है पेशी के कल ले सही है ना आशा भी है संगत कुछ नहीं सारे कल हैं कल कल शामी ऐसे कल तैयारी ऐसे इसका फिर दो टाइम बड़ा इधर अंदर ना पोतरा पोतरा में
Put here. Yan. Now my husband is ready to go in jungle for our goats. Ayan, bakri namin. Kambing.
ये हाँ उसे भाई ना इस साल नहीं आए या आने से कि इस बार सभी टाइम तो फिर मेरे को अगली गल नहीं पाया बहरहाल देखूंगा क्या प्रोग्राम हाले कोई फाइनल प्रोग्राम नहीं सामने आया
I like this oh. Ayan oh, may ano, kumagat na insect. Kaya sabi ni Kila kay sprayan niya.
जी जी
Inshallah after spray, it will be okay. This one also because yeah, this one oh. Ayan.
not remove small
Small oh, there is bite no. Bismillah.
but is now
Ayun see.
small then I will put the one there is okay
This one is small no no.
now I will spray
Huh?
green chili you get already
Yeah, oh. What is big I get no. Become more big no this green chilies. This one there is more here. This is not chilies. It's sweet, so this is good for my ano paksiw or adobo. I will see what will I do for this one. See my ampalaya, really. And this one also. Where is my ampalaya? This one, oh. And this one. Ah. How about Meti?
You wait, I come there.
Ah, Meti also fenugreek leaves. I want to get this one because will make spray also my husband. Oh, this one Meti. I'll get. Done spray our green chilies, eggplants, tomatoes, and also this one Chinese pichay or crumb. Because so many insects is biting. After that, inshallah, after spray, then how many days we can get again this one?
Must be 5 days.
This one Chinese pichay crumb after 5 days. If there is rain, no? Inshallah, there is rain.
Anything, no problem now because this is already touched now.
See our tomatoes there, mashallah. And many eggplants are coming also. So after this spray, inshallah no more insects come here to bite. Now it's inshallah will be okay, our eggplants and tomatoes and some vegetables.
Still no rain, like rain.
Huh?
You see tomato is coming here. You see?
Yeah, what?
Tomato there.
Yeah, no, mashallah. We have some many bearing, many kind of bearing tomatoes here. Ayan, ang daming bunga. Especially this one. This one good. This is native. Yung hugis kalabasa ba na ano na kamatis. Ayan. Oh. So all done spray here. Now we start. We get fenugreek or meti. They call it here meti. Bismillah. Bismillah. They're coming on. This is very sweet because this is organic. And first time also we harvest this meti.
No need to cut, eh?
No.
Just cook like that. Do not cut or anything.
Harvesting meti or fenugreek leaves. They call it here meti. And this is very nice kind of vegetables because this is organic. This is very sweet. First harvested our organic fenugreek leaves or meti. They call it here meti in Pakistan. You see, fresh from the garden. And also these eggplants, some eggplants and green chilies. Oh, ayan. As you can see the green chilies, very big. And this is sweet. So ito yung hinarvest namin nila kay ngayon na first harvest. Itong meti o kaya fenugreek leaves. Tapos eggplants, ayan oh. Ang kinis oh. At saka green chilies oh. Ang lalaki.